Hi, my name is Mike Kirsch. I'm the Director of International Sales for COMM-TEC Exertis. Today we're here at the ISE 2020 in Amsterdam and showing, among other things, our RTI solutions. I think this company needs no introduction. RTI has made a name for itself as one of the top solutions for professional and residential control systems. With a very wide range of touch panels, keypads, and smart device apps, RTI lets the user take control in whatever way they wish. Today we are highlighting RTI's working together with QSC, with QSC's Premium Business Music, which is a complete family of solutions for music reinforcement, which can be seamlessly and easily controlled by any RTI controller. Architecturally pleasing acoustic design series loudspeakers were designed to support the aesthetics of the most demanding installations and come equipped with unadorned grills and stylistic paintable enclosures. Decora-compatible wall controllers have a simple yet elegant design with a crisp display. By offering a comprehensive toolkit, system designers can simplify the quoting and design process with one comprehensive catalog that offers a complete end-to-end audio B chain for foreground reinforcement and background music across a wide spectrum of installation requirements. The complete system can be remotely monitored and maintained by RTI's RTIQ, their cloud-based management platform. If you would like to have more information about RTI or QSC, please do come and stop by the COMM-TEC Exertis booth in hall number 2, and our product managers will be really pleased to give you an overview. Alternatively, you can visit the RTI booth in hall number 1 or the QSC booth in hall number 2 as well. Thank you very much.